How to turn off inappropriate notifications in Chrome. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So turning off inappropriate notification in Chrome includes turning off all the notifications in Chrome and also enabling safe browsing in Chrome. So first, launch your Chrome browser and then tap on the three dot line from your top right corner. After that, go to settings. Then go to privacy and security. After that, go to security and then go to enhanced protection from safe browsing mode. Go back and then go to notifications. Simply turn it off and you will no longer receive any kind of notification. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.